Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you a demo of two models, one using AutoML and one customized model whose hyperparameters are tuned using Hyperdrive. The dataset that we have used, that I've used is a MBA placement dataset which I've got from Kaggle. So these are our two experiments. We have already run these experiments. So first I'll show you the hyperdrive model. The sampling policy is random. The hyperparameters that we have tuned are n estimators and min sample split, and the machine learning algorithm is random forest. Early termination policy is bandit, and you can see the run ID. A primary metric is accuracy. Here we can see all the runs that we have completed. And this is our best performing model with an accuracy of 0.8837. The n estimator value is 10 and the min sample split value is 4. This is the run ID. The registered model and the environment. Now we'll move on to the AutoML experiment. Now we can see that the status is completed. The algorithm name for the best performing model is voting ensemble with an accuracy of 0.8895, which is slightly better than the hyperdrive model. So this is the reason why we will be deploying this model. Now I've already deployed this model and you can see that the status is succeeded. Quick run through all the other models that we have gone through. Now we will go to the endpoint section where we can see our deployed model. This is our deployed model. We can see that the deployment state is healthy. This is the REST endpoint, Swagger URI. One additional feature that our model has is that we have enabled the application insights. We can consume this model using the REST endpoint URL and the authentication keys. Now I'll show you a quick demo of a sample request sent to the endpoint, and we'll see its response. Let's move to the notebook. We can see that the operation has succeeded and the deployment state of our deployed model is healthy. So let us send a sample request. The data that we have used is the test data which we have got from the train test split. So let us run this. And here you can see the result. Now we can compare our predictions, our result with the actual test values, test data values. And we can see that our overall accuracy is 0.8139. So here we can see that we have successfully sent a request to the endpoint and we've got its response. Thank you.